Hola amigos, welcome back. This is Mr. Briggs. I'm a qualified Spanish teacher and I upload videos every week. I've been uploading some surprise videos in the middle of the week. So if you do not want to miss out, click the subscribe button and the bell. That way you will be notified when I upload the surprise video in the middle of the week. Today's learning intention. Students will learn to express and distinguish needs and wants in Spanish. And the success criteria reads, students will be able to share with others their needs and wants in Spanish. Fantastico, we ready to take off? Just like that space shuttle over there? Let's begin, comencemos. There are two key words that you need to remember in order to express wants and needs. Querer, which means to want, to love, and necesitar, to need. You can also think of this word as querer, wanting, and necesitar as needing. So keep those two key words in mind. Now let's move on and let's see the first verb, querer. El infinitive is the raw form of a verb. In this case is querer, which means to want. We are going to conjugate this verb now. I want, yo quiero. You want, tú quieres. He, she wants, él, ella quiere. You want, but formal, usted quiere. We want, nosotros o nosotras queremos. They want, ellos o ellas quieren. You all want, ustedes quieren. Now, don't feel intimidated by this. It's all about memorization. Simply memorize it 5 times a day and you will never forget. Yo quiero, tú quieres, él, ella quiere. Usted quiere, nosotros queremos, ellos quieren. Simply memorize it. You may want to repeat this 5 times a day and I can guarantee you within a week you'll remember it. Yo quiero, tú quieres, él, ella quiere, usted quiere, nosotros queremos, ellos quieren, ustedes quieren. Muy bien. Now, I'll tell you a little secret that will help you to memorize this. Notice the stem of the verb. Notice this end with an O, S, E, Os, N, N. This is the formula for the ER verbs. Querer, wanting, to want. Yo quiero chocolate. I want chocolate. Yo quiero chocolate. Notice in the first person when you're talking about yourself, the verb always ends with an O. Quiero. I want. Yo quiero chocolate. Siguiente, next one. Tú quieres leche. You want milk. Whenever you're talking in the second person, you want. It ends with an ES. Tú quieres leche. Muy bien. Siguiente ejemplo. This guy looks very tired. Él quiere dormir. He wants to sleep. So if you're talking about he or she, the verb is quiere. Él quiere dormir. He wants to sleep. Nosotros queremos. Notice the ending of the verb hemos. Nosotros queremos jugar. We want to play. So whenever we want to conjugate this verb and we're talking about us, it's going to end in queremos, hemos. Siguiente ejemplo. They want to dance. Ellos quieren bailar. Notice, en, quieren. So whenever we're talking about them, we'll say quieren. Ellos quieren bailar. Next verb, next verbo, necesitar. Needing, to need, necesitar. Let's see this example. The infinitive is the raw form of the verb. In this case is necesitar, which means to need. You can also think of the word needing in order to remember how to use this verb. So if you wanted to say I need, you would say yo necesito. You need, tú necesitas. Él, ella, usted necesita. Nosotros necesitamos. Notice the ending, amos. Ellos necesitan. Ustedes necesitan. The verb is necesitar. Notice the ending of the verb. There is a little formula. In this case is o, as, a, amos, an. Yo necesito. Tú necesitas. Él, ella necesita. Nosotros necesitamos. Ellos, ellas necesitan. Ustedes necesitan. It's all about practicing. Let's see some examples. Oh, this girl looks very stressed. Yo necesito vacaciones. I need a vacation. Because she's talking about herself, the verb ends with an O. Yo necesito vacaciones. So whenever you're talking about yourself, make sure the verb ends with an O. What about this girl here? Tú necesitas comer. You need to eat. Tú necesitas comer. So in this case, the verb ends with an AS because you're talking about you. She. Ella necesita un doctor. She needs a doctor. Whenever we talk about he or she, the verb in this case is going to end with an A. Ella necesita un doctor. What about these people? What are they doing? We need to party. Nosotros necesitamos, fiesta. We need to party. Nosotros, we necesitamos fiesta, need to party. What about this couple? What are they up to? They need to connect. Ellos necesitan conectarse. Notice, whenever we talk about them, the verb ends with an AN. Ellos necesitan conectarse. But what about when we combine both verbs, querer, which ends with an ER, and necesitar, AR? Let's see what happens in this case. Wow. Yo quiero. Yo necesito bailar. I want. I need to dance. Notice in both instances the verb ends with an O because I'm talking about myself. I want to dance. I need. What about when we talk about you, tú? Tú quieres. Tú necesitas jugar. So quieres ends with an ES because it's an ER verb, querer. And necesitas, AS, because it's necesitar, AR verb. Tú quieres, tú necesitas. Now this guy needs to walk. Él quiere, he wants. Él necesita, he needs. Caminar, to walk. Él quiere, he wants. To walk, caminar. Nosotras queremos, we want. Nosotras necesitamos, we need. Dormir, to sleep. In this case, they're females, so we say nosotras. If it was a group of boys, we would say nosotros. They, masculine. Ellos quieren, they want. Ellos necesitan, they need. Ejercitarse, to exercise. And the two girls at the back, ellas quieren, ellas necesitan ejercitarse. Continuemos. Ustedes quieren, you all want. Ustedes necesitan, you all need. Estudiar, to study, study. Ustedes quieren estudiar, you all want to study Spanish. Now, how do we ask, what do you want? We ask by saying, ¿Qué quieres? What do you want? ¿Qué quieres? Escucha y repite. ¿Qué quieres? What do you want? ¿Qué quieres? I'm asking this guy, and he answers, yo quiero café. He wants coffee. ¿Qué quieres? Yo quiero café. I'll get him a cappuccino. And how do we ask, what do you need? ¿Qué necesitas? Repite. ¿Qué necesitas? What do you need? ¿Qué necesitas? It's imperative that you pronounce this over and over again. ¿Qué necesitas? Let's ask this guy. He's a father. He's got his kids at the back. ¿Qué necesitas? Necesito silencio. I need silence. Now you can add the pronoun I. Yo necesito silencio. Or you can simply say necesito silencio. Alright amigos, so this is some work for you to do. Complete the table below by asking a classmate what foods he or she likes. In order to do this, you will have to ask in Spanish, ¿Qué quieres? What do you want? And your classmate or friend will have to answer in Spanish, Yo quiero, and add the item or the food that he wants to have. In this case, you ask me, ¿Qué quieres? And I'll say, Yo quiero chocolate. Yo quiero chocolate. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, give yourself a few minutes and see if you can complete this, okay? You can look up the table that I put in the beginning of this video. And this is the tarea, homework. See if you can do the same thing by using the verb necesitar, to need, needing. ¿Qué necesitas? What do you need? And you reply, yo necesito, I need. Yo necesito chocolate. Muy bien amigos, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, in that way you will help me to continue producing more videos for you. And I'm uploading more surprise videos in the middle of the week, so if you don't want to miss out, click that button. Fantástico. Cuídate. That means take care. Nos vemos.